home of the world famous explorer, Professor Reginald Merriweather. Spent his life in search of the legendary lost.
Alright guys, we are in the bird kingdom. It's me and Sophia. We had no idea what to expect. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started.
Welcome to the old Niagara Falls Museum. Many of these exhibits you will see here today. The building you're standing in was built in 1907 and opened as a Cinderella first during the beginning of 2001 when it was discovered by Carlo fancy first. Among the other beautiful museums all of their devils. Many men and women wearing the falls and rapids. Take me along if you like.
These are all natural shapes. All birds are dinosaurs. That's why that was there. They're all Egyptian. They're just very skinny. Me too.
So guys, I didn't even know this was a dinosaur right when I walked in. I was just so amazed by everything you see in here right when you walk in. And we are now in the halls, the Hall of the Daredevils. So I come around the corner and I see Sophia in here. What in the world is going on?
Bow down. That's the world of a T-pose.
So we gotta follow these footsteps all around for each designated area so we can see. Plane missing. What the? We should go for a hunt to find this plane. Maybe find the wreckage or something, but we got some old eggs. Oh my god, look at this. Look how small these things go. From the smallest to biggest. This is weird. They're being the biggest, and then this big bad boy right there. So we got a boa constrictor shedding here. It's stuff, but got some fishes. Ooh, what is this bad boy? I guess we're coming into the bird area now. I guess if you're tired, you can chill. Alright guys, so we're at the first set of birds that are actually living animals here. Got a little right there. There's the water supply. Oh, see them right up there. Parents. In here?
This is where the birds roam, I think.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, Dad.
Got a big. Oh, yeah. Look at that. There's a big tortoise there. Turtle. This place is bigger than I thought, to be honest.
Hello, little guy.
Sophia, look at this.
What type of turtle is
It's a ninja turtle, Sophia. Name them: Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael.
it? Look at it.
They
like company, too.
I forget the. Did I say Leo? He did not like me near him. This guy's got one big cage. What in the world's going on over there? Who am I looking at? Oh, there he is. Look at him. Guys, if you know what type of bird that is, let me know. I'm not going to show you guys because I'm going to see right now. Let's see. We got something here. We got a green iguana and a... I cannot pronounce those, but... Let's see. Oh, there he is up there. And then we got the big bird up there with the big beak. This one's called Red. What's up, buddy? Say hi to the viewers.
The big bird?
Sure.
You're gonna hold your left arm out like that. Just don't pet her.
I won't. Oh my god, she's adorable.
So 1, 2, 3. One more.
Perfect. Good job.
That was already amazing.
Thanks. Look at this, guys. I'll just leave it there, but this is military grade Jeep. What is this? A turtle? A swimming turtle. Wow. Water lines. Oops, sorry. This is what they used to do when they found water and stuff like this. Tools. They didn't use tools.
Where does he have his back? Poison arrow.
These are called poison arrow frogs. They're right here. They look like plastic, but they're not. They're real. This changed everything, buddy. Hey, this guy's eating. Look at him. Hey, buddy. You're here with the UBC now. How are you doing?
Wow, they're pretty high.
Hey, come here. So the big birds over there. I think those are parakeets, I believe. Alright guys, this is actually pretty cool how close I can get to him. Hey buddy, say hi to the viewers. Come here. Guys, this vlog is kind of hard to film because there's so many people here. I try not to get people in the vlog and get their faces, but it just won't happen. So I hope you guys appreciate it. Smash the like button. I think we're almost done in here. It's gonna be one long vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this. Any bird lovers, any animal lovers, I hope you guys like this. Alright guys, we're at the fish thing, but I'm going to end my video up here because I'm running out of space. I don't have extra cards on me. Thank you all for watching. Smash the like button, and I'll show you some fish before we go.